Hi guys, today we are making homemade granola. Let's see the ingredients. I have taken 3 cup of rolled oats. You can take quick oats as well. Half cup of dried cranberries, 3 tablespoon of chia seeds, 3 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, 3 tablespoon of chopped almonds, 3 tablespoon of kishmish, half cup of oil, half cup of honey, half tablespoon of salt and half tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Let's start the cooking. Now we are going to add all the dry ingredients. First I'll add chopped almonds, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds and kishmish, cinnamon powder and salt. We'll mix it well. For our wet ingredients, we will add honey, oil, and some water. We'll mix it well. Our mixture should look something like this. Now we will add our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients. We will have to mix it really well. To bake it in the oven, I have taken the tray and greased it. Now I will spread the granola evenly. My tray is small, so I will be baking it twice.
We will bake it in the oven at 170 degrees for 40 minutes.
You have to stir it occasionally every 10 to 15 minutes. Now it is out of the oven and completely cooled down and it's done. I am just rubbing it in my palm so that I can untie any knots which is left there. Now I am going to add dried cranberries.
I hope you like this recipe. Please subscribe to my channel for videos like this.